Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? I found this amazing tool that lets you make 3D objects and that too just in one click. And no, you don't need to be some kind of tech genius to use it. Let me show you step by step how to bring your ideas to life in 3D with a tool called ComfyUI Trellis. Now, the question comes, why is Trellis so awesome? So let me tell you the answer because it's super fast and easy to use. You just have to upload an image and it will automatically convert it into the 3D object. Sounds fancy, right? But trust me, I'll make this super easy. If I can do it, you can too. So let's get started. Firstly, to run 3D workflows in ComfyUI, you need a fresh install of ComfyUI. We use Micromamba because it's lightning fast. Now you need to install Micromamba and here are the steps to follow. Open PowerShell as administrator. Make a home for Micromamba by typing mkdir/micromamba. I had already done it, so it already exists in my system, as you can see here. Now this will create folder in C drive. You can see here it's already done. Now navigate to the Micromamba folder by typing cd Micromamba. After this, copy this command from the website and paste it into your command and hit enter. After that, unzip the file using 7-zip. To do this, you need to download and install 7-zip on your computer. Then go to the 7-zip folder in your C drive, open it and copy the path of that location. Next, search for and edit the system environment variables. Click environment variables, go to the path, click new and paste the folder path you copied. Once that's done, open the PowerShell terminal again. Copy this line from the website and paste it into your PowerShell command prompt. Then hit enter. Micromamba is finally installed. As you can see, this is already installed in my system. Now you have to go to the location where you saved the Micromamba file and copy the path. Then edit the system environment variables. Click environment variables, go to the path, click new and paste the folder path you copied. Once that's done, open the PowerShell terminal again. Next, in the environment variables window, click new. For the variable name, enter mamba underscore root underscore prefix and for the variables value, paste the link here. You can find the location here. First, you have to go to users. First, you have to open run and type app data. Click OK. Then go to roaming and then find Mamba folder and copy this path and paste it here. Click OK. Finally, open the terminal again and type Micromamba -v to check if it is installed correctly. If you get the result Micromamba is installed on your system, then the installation is complete. Now just copy this code from the website and paste it here. So here is a catch. It's unrestricted in my system, so I didn't get any error. But if you get any, then you have to press A and continue. Once done, it's time to create a Python 12.1 environment. Copy the line from the website and paste it here. 3D12 is my environment name, but you can name it anything you like. You can see it's already done here. After the process is complete, you need to activate your environment. Simply type Micromamba, activate your environment. If you encounter any error, copy the line from the website and paste it. I didn't get any error here, so I'm just skipping this part. It's time to install the Xformers. Just for the website, in installing Xformers section, there are so many links based on your versions, like I have CUDA 12.4 installed. Copy the line for version 12.4 and paste it into the command. Finally, Xformers will be installed. Next, download the Visual Studio Build tools. Go to the desktop development with C++. Open your Visual Studio installer, modify, and then check on desktop development with C++ section and make sure all libraries are installed, including Windows 11 SDK, MSVC v143, C++ C make tools, C++ ATL headers and libraries. Then install it. After that, open the system environment variables and go to this location, program files, Microsoft Visual Studio 2019, build tools, copy the path and paste it into the system environment path variables. Download the two files and save them in the Mamba environment 3D12 script folder. You can see all these two are saved. Next, now you have to install ComfyUI files. Copy this code and paste it here, and I am saving it in my C folder. You can save it anywhere here. It already exists in my system, as you can see here. Now go to the ComfyUI folder, open it in command by typing cd and paste the location of ComfyUI, c:/ComfyUI. Next, install all the required Python libraries by typing pip install -r requirements.txt. Once done, go to the custom nodes folder by typing cd custom nodes. It's time to install ComfyUI Trellis. Copy the code and paste it to install the ComfyUI if_trellis. It already exists, as you can see here. Finally, go to the ComfyUI if_trellis folder by typing cd ComfyUI if_trellis. Next, type pip install -r requirements.txt. Next, type pip install -r win_requirements.txt. Once done, it's time to install Sage Attention. Just type pip install Sage Attention. Also, install Ninja by typing pip install Ninja. Finally, it's time to install Flash Attention. Copy the line from the website and paste it into command. Again, it's already installed in my system, as you can see. First, navigate to the folder by typing cd flash-attention. Then copy the line and paste it. It may take hours to install, but once done, you are ready to go. Now, the final part is to install extra libraries that help run ComfyUI. Just copy each one. Now you have to go ComfyUI if Trellis folder by typing cd space ... Now just copy each one by one and paste them into command. Now download ComfyUI Manager, copy this code, go to ComfyUI custom node, Git clone and paste the URL and hit enter. Once this is done, you will be ready to run ComfyUI in 3D. Next, go to ComfyUI folder, type python main.py. Now ComfyUI is open. Download the workflow and load the workflow. And lastly, before starting, make sure Triton is installed. Here is how you can do it. Go to the Triton website and download the Python version file that matches your setup. For example, if you are using Python 3.12 like I am doing it, download the file for Python 3.12. Once the file is downloaded, copy its file path. Pip install path location. Now finally, the Triton is installed in your system. Now open ComfyUI and load the workflow. If you encounter any missing nodes, don't worry. Simply go to the node manager and click install missing nodes. Let it finish downloading the necessary nodes. Upload the image you want to use. So I want to use this one. So I am selecting it. Ensure that all the settings are set to their default values. Once everything is ready, click run. Now the process has been done. Now you have to go to ComfyUI's output folder, Dino Fast. Select and load. Now your 3D version is created. Now as you can see, the 3D version has been created. Now we will try another example and we have to upload a new picture. So let's choose this one and run. Now as you can see, the process has been completed, and again you have to go to Trellis 3D preview and upload the model file by going through drive C output and then DinoFast and click OK. Now you can see the 3D model has been generated, but there is some problem. As you can see, the textures are not so perfect. While it may not be perfect, don't worry. I have got you covered in my previous video where I have shown how to get multiple views of the image. These views will help you refine and enhance the textures on your 3D model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and for more exciting content like this. See you in the next one.